Welcome friends of 7th class. This is Asif from your Modern International School. Hiswa chapter number 4, rational number. This is for revision session friends, because we had already learned related to rational numbers, definitions, their types and all the things with their examples. So we will solve a couple of questions of exercise 4E. So let's get started friend. Here the question number 1, multiply. Now this question first carries 9 sub questions, and we will solve here only 2 questions sub question, and all these question sub questions are similar. Okay, now see friends, the solution is, here we can write multiply, where there is by means multiply, minus 12 divided by 5 sign multiply sign, this is 10 by minus 3 friends. So this minus will get cancelled friend, and this is 3 1 ja 3 and 3 4 ja 12. So friends, this minus 12 and 10, these are all numerator terms and these are the denominator terms. So numerator and denominator will get cancelled if it is plus, then this is why we get cancelled. So 3 1 ja and 3 4 ja, so 5 1 ja and 5 2 ja friends. So here the answer 4 multiplied by 2, so the answer is 8 friends. Okay, very simple friends. Now see friends, question number 9 says minus 13 divided by 15 by minus 25 divided by 26. Same friends, we have to follow the same rule, same as we solved this first question number 5. Now see the multiply sign, because we have to multiply. Okay, now this is minus 25 divided by 26 friends. So friends, remember here 5 3 ja 15 and 5 5 ja friends 25, 13 1 ja friends 13 and 13 2 ja friends 26. One thing is, remember friends, we have to cancel the same tables, means 13 will, if it is cancelled by 13, then if it is cancelled by 10, then will get cancelled, otherwise stop. 13 1 ja 13 2 ja 5 3 ja and 5 5 ja. Okay, so the up number minus into minus plus 5 multiplied by 1, this is only 5 plus 5 and divided by 3 2 ja 6 friends. So this is your answer friends. Okay, and what types of fraction it is friends? This is proper fraction, because denominator is greater than numerator. Now see the next one is, now see question number 3 friends, one taken one sub question and all sub questions are similar. This is friends 9 and 9 1 ja 9 and 9 3 ja 27, 16 1 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64 friends. So minus into minus plus 4 1 ja 4 plus 4 and 3 1 ja 3. This either this can be written as mixed fraction, match the answer. This is 3 and here is the 1 1, because 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4. Okay, this is your answer. Now see friends, question number 4 and the sub question 4, and all sub questions are similar of question number 4. So see, simplify only, first write the solution. Now here minus 12 by 7 multiply minus 14 by 7, the whole bracket minus, and the bracket minus 8 by 45 multiply 9 by 16 close with this small bracket. Now see friends, first of all solve this. Here friends, this is the all numerator terms, all denominator terms. This will get 7 1 ja 7 and 7 2 ja friends 14. So friends 3 3 4 ja 12 and 3 9 ja friends 27. Now this see friends, minus into minus plus 4 2 ja 8, and this is 9 1 ja 9. Here friends minus, first solve this sum, minus into minus friends, so this minus into this minus plus, we can break, there is no matter, 45 here 9 by 6. So friends 9 1 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45, 8 1 ja and 8 2 ja 16, 8 1 ja 8. So this is 8 by 9 friends, this is plus, here is the only 1 friends, and this is 10, 5 2 ja 10, 1 into 1 1. Now take the LCM of 9, this is 90 friends LCM. Divide this 90 by 9, 10 multiplied by 8 80 friends, this is plus. Now this 10, this 90 is divided by 10, 9 multiplied by 1, this is 9, this is 89 by 90 friends. This is, I hope this is answer, and you will get and you will understand. Okay, now you can match the answer friends. So now I'm going to match question number 4 sub question 4. Okay, and exercise 4E. Yes, correct answer friends. You can see the answer friends here. While friend, if you solve any questions till the answer, so please match the answer here friends. Have a look friends. For question number 4 sub question, this is 89 divided by 90, correct answer. Now see the next question. Now see friends, question 6, last question says a bus is moving at an average speed of 46 and 2 by 3 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 2 and 2 by 5 hours? Very simple question. The first statement is given. Now write the statements. What does it mean friends? First think about 46 2 by 3 km per hour. Means in 1 hour the bus will cover 46 and 2 by 3 km. So this is why we wrote here in 1 hour the distance of the distance covered by bus. Okay, distance covered by bus is, we can write that distance covered by bus is 46 divided by 3, means this is the mixed fraction change into improper fraction, and we will get 140 divided by 3 km in 1 hour. यानी 1 घंटे में बस इतनी दूरी तय करती है. Okay, now in second statement says how much distance will it cover in 2 and 2 by 5 hours. Now in 2 and 2 by 5, suppose 1 hour means itna, then 2 hours 2 multiply by this, 3 hour 3 multiply by this. Hence therefore in 2 and 2 by 5 hours distance is this multiplied by 2 and 2 by 5 hours. Okay, this is total distance. Now solve, we will calculate. This is 140 divided by 3 as it is. Now this is multiplied by 2 and 2 by 5. Change this improper fraction. 5 to the 10 plus to 12. 12 by 5. 5 1 5 will get cancel 5. And this 5 to the 10 and 5 8 the 40 friends. Means 5 28 times 140 will get cancelled. This is 3 1 3 and 3 4 12. So 4 multiplied by 28 friends. 28 multiplied by 4 112 the kilometer. This is answer. Now alternative methods, see friends, and we can also solve this question. The alternative method is here friends, the speed. Now speed is given, a speed value is average speed, whatever the average, this is actually the speed. Speed is given 46 divided by 2 by 3 km per hour, remember friends. And now, and this hour is given, hour means time, the time is, and the time is given, this time is 2 and 2 by 5 hours friends, and we have to find the distance in this time. So friends, if you remember one formula that you have already learned in the 5th class, speed is equal to distance by time. Now what about speed friends? Distance covered by per unit time. Remember friends, distance covered by per an object, distance covered by per unit time, distance covered by the object per unit time is called speed. So hence speed is equal to distance by time, and we have to find the distance from this. Implies that distance, that we have to find the distance from, distance is equal to speed multiplied by time friends. So write the value friends here. Here the speed is yes, this is the speed 46 2 by 3 friends, and now multiply by, this is the time 2 and 2 by 5, and this will give us the kilometer. Okay, why? Because this is the kilometer. So if you multiply, this is 140, just abhi I solved, by 3 multiply by, this is 12 by 5 friends. So 5 1 5 and 28 times will get cancelled. Check, see, and 3 1 and 3 4 So the answer friends, 28 multiplied by 4. If you multiply, we will get 112 kilometer. Either we can solve that method or this method. Okay, this is up to you. I hope this is very simple method. Apply the formula and we'll get the answer. Now your homework friends, revise all the questions of exercise 4E. This is class 7. Remember, don't be lazy friends, be active, and you stay home and study at home. Okay, have a nice day. If you have any doubt, questions, contact me.